Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to add payment method to Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is a site where you are able to create a website for free, and it is greatly in use by many people. You can create a website, and this you can create using templates and designer formats and fonts that are available. You can also explore e-commerce tools such as booking services or adding your favorite third-party plugins and extensions. You can also have an online store on Squarespace. You can also market your business by running on-brand email campaigns and social tools, which make it easy to retain customers and grow your audience. So in this tutorial, we are going to be checking on how you can add payment methods to Squarespace. And we are going to be looking at 3 of them. We are going to be learning how to add Stripe payment method. So the Stripe is a financial infrastructure for the internet. Down here, you notice that you can use Stripe on Instacart, Amazon, Shopify, Google, Lyft, Zoom, and many others. And you also notice that it is a fully integrated suite of financial and payment products. So you can handle all payment-related needs, such as managing revenue, operations, and such, using Stripe. And we're going to be learning how to add Stripe to Squarespace. The next one we shall be looking at is the Square. In this case, you have to register for Square. That is the same thing for Stripe before we link it to Squarespace. And you notice also for Square, it helps you to do other things. So for instance, it can help you create best-in-class experience to reach your customers every place they want. And then down here, you notice that Square app is connected and comprehensive in that you can reach customers, you can drive sales, you can do shipping and picking, advanced reporting, manage cash flow, connect apps and all that. And I'll be showing you how to connect Square app to Squarespace as a payment method. And finally, I'm going to be showing you how to link PayPal as a payment method to Squarespace. Now, PayPal is widely used and it's for everyone who pays or gets paid. It is good for individual businesses, partners, and also for developers. And you can withdraw money directly to banks. And depending on your country, this part for your PayPal may change. In this case, I am also able to withdraw money to M-Pesa because my region allows that. So let's go back to Squarespace. Here, I am now on my Squarespace, and I'll be leaving a link for the Stripe, that is stripe.com, for you to register a payment method there. I'll also leave a link for squareapp.com in the description of this video. You can also register that. And I'll also be giving a link to PayPal, that is paypal.com. You can also register for that, so that once you come to the Squarespace website, you have these accounts, so your work will be simply to link them. So assuming you have created that, you'll come to your squarespace.com. All the links are in the description of this video. So I've just logged into my Squarespace, and I thought I should just show you how you go about it. So by just registering using your email and password, it will take you to this homepage for Squarespace. So you can click on Get Started up here or down here. Then whichever website you want to create, you select the type here. Is it an online store, a portfolio, a blog, scheduling, or one page? In this case, I'll click on an online store. Then for the topic, I can choose the topic depending on what I want for the templates, popular designs, or templates, or photography, or something. So I'll do that depending on what I sell. And the best thing is I can also rely on these templates. So let me use one of these templates. I'll click Start with Idra for that setup to be the one that I'll use. So it is setting things up. And I have a different tutorial on how you can create a website using Squarespace so that you are able to edit that template. So the video is available on this YouTube channel, and you're able to access that. So after clicking that, it brings you here, welcome to your site. So you give the site title, then you click on continue. Then here you can simply click on next, next, and then click on get started. But as I have said, we have a full tutorial on how you can come and edit all this. We have a tutorial on how to create a website using Squarespace available on this YouTube channel. So once it brings you here, you come to this left-hand side and you click on commerce. This is just a pop-up, so we can just skip that for now. What type of content or products are you selling? In this case, let's just skip. But if you're to be creating a website, you would select all this. In this case, we just want to link a payment method. So I just click on skip, skip, skip. So it brings me here. And now this is the part that I'm interested in for payment. So create your store and start selling products. So you have the products here. We have payment, we have subscription, and we have the part where we can publish our website. So we want to add payment methods. So you come here under payment and you click add payments. So on this side, you see add ways to receive payments. Once you connect a payment processor, customers can check out in your store. So here we have the payments that are available. So we have Stripe, we have PayPal, and we have Square. So for each one of them, for Stripe, you let customers pay with all major credit cards, Apple Pay and Afterpay, or also called ClearPay. You can also link that to PayPal, and PayPal connects businesses to let customers pay with a PayPal or Venmo account, and PayPal is available almost worldwide again. Finally, this one for Square is only point of sale for US citizens only for now. So you connect Square to let customers pay in person with cash and credit cards. So this is only available for the residents of USA. And then for the settings here, you can set your store currency. So how now do we link that? So let's link Stripe. As I said, you will need to have registered on Stripe, an account with Stripe, for you to do the connection to Squarespace. So you simply come to Stripe and click on connect. So here it brings you to this page, Squarespace partners with Stripe for secure payments. So you'll come here and put your password and then you click on continue. You put your password there and click on continue. Remember, you need to have registered an account with Stripe so that you can continue. You also put a password there. You click on continue. Then it will require you to enter a mobile number here. So you select your country here. You select the code. Automatically you select the country. The code will insert itself. And then you will put your phone number here. And then you'll click on send text and you'll get an authentication key. And with that, you'll be able to have connected your Stripe account to Squarespace. So that's how you link that. So let's go to the second one. So with PayPal, you simply do the same. You click on connect. And in this case, I'm using the trial version of my Squarespace. So, and I cannot connect a PayPal account with a trial mode. So in this case, if I was to have a paid subscription, the payment would be the same. Once you click on that, it would lead you to your PayPal account, and then you'll put your email and your password. Then you'll get a verification code or link to your email, which you simply click and your PayPal will be connected to your Squarespace. So the advantage of this is that nobody can connect it to your store because they'll need to have access to your email to verify that connection of the account. So with Square, again, you simply do the same. You click on connect. For Square, it can also function even when you're on the trial mode, unlike the PayPal. So if you're on trial mode, I would advise you to either use Stripe or Square. So clicking on Square brings you here, and you actually now sign in to your Square, or you sign up in case you don't have an account. As I said, I'll leave the link to this squareapp.com in the description. In case you don't have an account and you visit squareapp.com, it will take you to this account. Let me click on the sign up part. It will take you here where you'll sign up using your email. You will enter your email, you confirm your email, then you'll create your password, then your locality, you click on agree to the terms, privacy policy, and then you click on continue. If you have an account, instead you just click on sign in. So that is simply how you connect PayPal, Square, and of course Stripe to your Squarespace website. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.